In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily clear YouTube recommendations. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up YouTube app. And then after you are logged in, just stop right here at your profile picture and then go to your data in YouTube. YouTube recommendations are based on YouTube search and watch history, and all we have to do in order to clear YouTube recommendations is just clear our watch history and search history. If we scroll down, we can find watch history, then we can tap at manage your YouTube watch history, and then right here we'll find that delete option that allows us to delete watch history for today, for a custom range, or for all the time. So if you want to completely clear your YouTube watch history, just select delete all time. Also, you can scroll down and manually remove some watched videos from your history, just like that. And the same about search history. If we scroll down, we'll find YouTube search history. We can tap at manage your YouTube search history, and in the same way we can delete it for today, custom range, and all time, and also we can delete them one by one manually. That's how you can easily clear your YouTube recommendations. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.